Back forecast intraday strategies for beginner traders. On October 8, the US dollar continues to strengthen. The premium article will be available in 00008.10.20258007 AM. A premium article will be available in 00008.10.20258007 AM. The US dollar continues to strengthen against risk-sensitive assets. Yesterday's comments from Federal Reserve officials that lower interest rates might lead to higher inflation supported the US dollar. Traders concerned about the likelihood of tighter U.S. monetary policy quickly rotated out of the euro and other risky assets and into the safer dollar. Additional pressure on the euro came from an ECB official's remarks suggesting that the eurozone could face a sharp decline in its inflation target. The market reacted instantly to fresh articles available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access, getting information first. Get